Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Godappa. And in today's episode, I am going to show you a watch list of swing trading stocks that I am keeping for the next 3 months. Now, these are structurally good momentum companies that are backed with sector momentum, sector rotation, all of that is coming into this picture. So let's quickly understand how this works in today's episode. By the way, just want to inform you guys that I'm also a SEBI registered research analyst. And a few months ago, we launched our small cases called the Fluid Q small case, which is a momentum small case where every month we rebalance the stocks. And in the last whatever few months that we've launched, it even though the market is absolutely not in momentum, we have continued the momentum and it has done really well with respect to the benchmark index. And if you look at the stocks, we are mostly large cap and mid cap heavy, and we are not very heavy on small cap. And gold also we have 15%, so that is considered a good thing for us. Right now, coming back to the video, obviously Nifty is not in momentum. I think we've established that it is going up and down, but there are some very interesting companies that are currently in momentum, and I want to show you those companies. The first company that I want to show you is KEI Industries. Now look at this, right? KEI Industries is recently doing a breakout, or almost at the verge of doing an all-time high breakout, because structurally there is nothing wrong with KEI. From the next 3 months perspective, they are good. Fundamentally, they are very strong. And if you look at the whole wire segment, if real estate market goes up, KEI will ideally do well, right? Again, please understand there are different types of cables and wires in different industries. Polycab, KEI are more B2C, whereas Apar is a B2B cable company, which is more for transmission lines, electrification of India. Even RR Cable is more B2B, not B2C. But KEI is in the very interesting zone because fundamentally also good, technically also good. So again, next 3 months, I want to see where this can go because today it is at 5,000 price. The next company that I am looking at is another company called Apar Industries. And this, if you remember, had a very bad time. It really crashed from its all-time high over here because of the Chinese dumping that came in. Margins got affected and it fell down 63% from its high. Now, why is that not a big concern? Because the stock also went up so much in the past. And whenever a stock goes up a lot, please understand 30 to 40% correction is absolutely normal. If a stock goes up 300, 400%, there is a very, very, very high chance a 30 to 40% correction is coming. That happened with Apar, but then immediately, for all the people who stood by it, it started doing a reversal, right? Came back up 115% because obviously it fell too much. And now it has come back to almost 10,700 at 142% gain since the bottom. And now it is also very close to the all-time high breakout. Now, why is this the case? Their whole problem with the Chinese dumping is now being solved. Their exports have started coming in. India has now started putting capex into power transmission lines. And please understand, this is a B2B company, right? So now they are getting orders from the government that is coming in. And I think recently L&T also got a 5,000 crore to 10,000 crore transmission project. And all of this direct beneficiary is going to be Apar. So that is why Apar has come back to its zone. Very soon it should break its fall, which is Jan 2025 high. It should break that and it should go up. Now, another sector that is doing really well is the commercial vehicle sector. And there is one company that recently got demerged, which was Tata Motors CV. Right? Tata Motor commercial vehicle. Just look at the momentum on this. Wow. Right? In fact, now it is making a beautiful base, right? A base that it can break from 500 and go up. It is making a base. This is the 20-day moving average and it is respecting this 20-day moving average line. Absolutely wonderful, right? Now, the whole commercial vehicle segment is doing well. You take any commercial vehicle company, whether it is Tata Motors, whether it is Force Motors, SML Isuzu's coming in that space. All of them are doing very, very well. And because of the GST benefit, they are doing well. So this, I think, should continue for the next few years. Because next 3 months at least, the momentum should continue because it is in supreme momentum. Below this 20-day moving average line, this entire momentum becomes invalidated and it doesn't work out there. Another one in this space is Shriram. Again, Shriram Finance, which is also very big in vehicle financing only. So if commercial vehicles are going up, then vehicle financing, this becomes very good. And if you see Shriram, again, respecting that 20-day moving average, gets overextended, comes back to mean reversion, stays here, went up, got overextended, came back to mean reversion. Now, again, it's creating the next rally phase. And Shriram is already sitting at all-time high. And this, I think, should continue for another 6 to 7 months, assuming the commercial vehicle trend continues and doesn't die down very soon, right? Next, we have another auto company, which is Lumax Auto. Let me show you Lumax Auto as well. So Lumax Auto is also another very interesting company. Both Lumax Industries and Lumax Auto, they have this thing where it's called PED setups, okay, post earnings drift. So what happens is earnings comes out, it stocks goes up, consolidates, one more earning comes, goes up, consolidates, now one more earning, consolidates. So this is usually how it goes, like a step and ladder platform. So very interesting. Again, both Lumax Industries and Lumax Autotech fundamentally also very good, and long term also looks very interesting. Another company that we are very interested in, a part of the Fluid C basket, is Laurus Labs. I think Shriram is in Fluid Q, but this is in Fluid C. And this again has been a very good multi-bagger for us. This has been doing really well. This is a long-term compounding story. So it did get overvalued a little bit at this point, fell down, and now it is going back into an upward trajectory. Again, fundamentally, they're doing really well. Their results are coming out good. They are killing it in the CDMO space. They are an actual CDMO company versus all the other fake pharma CDMO companies. These guys actually do CDMO. So that is why this company is also now on an upward momentum, and it is creating an upward channel as well. And this is something that I would also want to look at for the next 3 months, right? So if I look at the watch list, Tata Commercial, very good. Shriram Finance, very good. Lumax Auto, decent. Again, earnings drift. Laurus Labs, good. Apar, again, very good. Earnings are also coming out well. And KEI, just going to do all-time high breakout. Very soon, some volumes will kick in, and all-time high breakout should also kick in at the same time. So these are some very interesting companies that I am keeping track of. Again, if you find any good setups, you can also put in the comment section. I can check the chart and tell you whether it's good or bad. And if you are a part of the small case basket, I will also add you to a exclusive small case group, WhatsApp group. And if you're not in that WhatsApp group, then you can send an email to me that I have subscribed, but I'm not in the group. I will give you the access to it as well. Awesome. This is me, Shashank Godupar, signing off, guys. Take care. See you. Bye bye.